Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, how do you know if your EDIFIER NeoDots are charging? And we can check it by the LED light on the front side. We need to connect these earbuds to the power, so I'm going to connect my adapter to the power and then USB-C cable to USB-C port at the back side. And if you see the LED light on the front side, it means that your charging case are charging. But we can also open the application and then check the battery percentages right here. Then you can put your earbuds to the charging case, connect it to the power and check these battery percentages after some time. And if it increases, it means that your earbuds are charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!